Create video on how to receive 1 million YouTube views. Pretend to be an ancient philosopher answering modern questions. Start a video series where you rate different kinds of air. Try to read a book while doing jumping jacks. Interview your pet as if they're a celebrity. Make a cooking video, but the oven is a hairdryer. Film your intense morning routine, just hitting snooze repeatedly. Pretend you're a time traveler stuck in 2024. Conduct an in-depth review of every type of pen you own. Create a dance tutorial where every step is freestyle. Write and perform a love song to a loaf of bread. Make a parody of workout videos called Extreme Relaxing. Pretend to be a detective solving the case of the missing remote. Host a cooking competition between you and your microwave. Explain how to fix your life using only emojis. Make a fashion show featuring clothes straight out of your laundry pile. Start a try not to laugh challenge, but you laugh first. Pretend to be a teacher and give detention to your audience. Try to eat spaghetti with chopsticks. Create a video called How to Breathe Like a Pro. Stage a dramatic breakup with your Wi-Fi router. Host a talk show where all the guests are plush toys. Live stream your attempt to draw a perfect circle. It's impossible. Pretend to be a robot struggling to understand human emotions. Make a 10-second video titled The Secret to Happiness with no explanation. Invent a new sport and play it against yourself. Host a debate between two identical versions of you. Try to build a tower out of marshmallows and spaghetti sticks. Make a serious life hacks video. Suggest using a spoon as a comb. Film yourself opening an umbrella indoors, claiming it's a life risk. Record yourself counting sheep, but actually draw them. Pretend you're a millionaire who only eats instant noodles. Upload a video called 10 Things to Do When You're Bored and only list 2. Pretend to be a weather reporter for fictional planets. A forecast for Mars, dust storms with a chance of aliens. Do a speed run of cleaning your room by shoving everything into a closet. A cluttered closet with items spilling out. Make a video trying to say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious 10 times fast. A person stumbling over supercali with a tongue twister chart. Film yourself trying to juggle and constantly dropping the items. A person surrounded by rolling oranges on the floor. Pretend to host a survival show in your backyard. A person roasting marshmallows over a tiny backyard fire. Teach your audience how to clap in slow motion. A dramatic slow motion clap with exaggerated hand movements. Post a video titled World's Longest Yawn and yawn for 30 seconds. A close-up of someone yawning with a timer. Pretend to host an awards show for everyday objects like spoons and socks. A golden spoon on a red carpet. Try to solve a Rubik's Cube by guessing. Never finish. Create a video of extreme water drinking competitions. Do a day in the life vlog for your pet rock. Pretend to be a tour guide for your own house. Make a parody cooking video where you only use invisible ingredients. Attempt to teach math using pizza slices, then eat the lesson. Film yourself building a sandcastle, but it's just a pile of sand. Pretend to be a mime struggling to escape an invisible box. Post a tutorial called How to Sleep Faster and take a nap on camera. Live stream yourself eating spicy food and regretting it instantly. Do a video where you apologize to inanimate objects you've accidentally hurt. Make a how to walk properly video, but walk backward the entire time. Pretend you're a motivational speaker for plants. Try to eat a sandwich in one bite and regret it instantly. Review everyday sounds, like clapping or sneezing, with extreme seriousness. Host a silent karaoke session where you just lip sync without music. Try to solve a puzzle, but the pieces are from different puzzles. Teach your audience how to breathe fire with a harmless trick. Create a new holiday and celebrate it with absurd traditions. Live stream yourself searching for your phone while holding it in your hand. Pretend you're a pirate hunting for treasure in your fridge. Try to start a fitness trend where you lift random household items. Make a tutorial on how to fold a fitted sheet. It's chaos. Post a 10-hour meditation video and snore loudly after 5 minutes. Host an awards show for a best ice cube in your freezer. Create a video titled How to Blink and exaggerate each blink. Pretend to be a weather reporter, but only predict your mood for the day. Attempt to draw famous landmarks, but with stick figures only. Make a video explaining why socks always disappear in the wash, conspiracy style. Live stream yourself playing a game of chess against yourself. Pretend to do magic tricks, but reveal the trick is obvious. Make a realistic morning routine video where you keep hitting snooze. Post a video called How to Tie Your Shoes, but do it with 2 left shoes. Pretend you're a spy, but your mission is buying groceries. Host a talent show where you're the only contestant. Create a tutorial called How to Stand Still for Beginners. Try to guess what random objects are used for without Googling them. Make a survival video where your only resource is a roll of duct tape. Pretend to be a time traveler and explain how pizza changed history. Teach your audience how to properly eat snacks, but use a fork and knife. Record yourself trying to do a DIY project with 0 instructions. Pretend to be a professional movie critic for kids' cartoons. Make a how to play the air guitar video with over-the-top energy. Post a dramatic movie trailer about running out of coffee. Create a fake advertisement for the world's smallest pillow. Make a video reviewing water from different taps in your house. Pretend to be a DIY expert, but only fix things with duct tape. Try to fold a paper airplane that actually flies. It keeps failing. Live stream yourself trying to set a world record for clapping. Create a parody of yoga videos called Lazy Yoga, where every pose is lying down. Pretend to be a food critic for vending machine snacks. Try to draw a self-portrait, but only using crayons. Make a video explaining why breakfast cereal is the best meal of the day. Post a dramatic reading of funny text messages. Pretend you're on a cooking show but burn everything on purpose. Review different types of chairs and call it Chair Wars. Host a talent competition between your 2 hands, left versus right. Create a tutorial on how to breathe dramatically. Make a video of extreme pillow fighting with yourself. Pretend to be a robot and try to learn how to eat spaghetti.